victory on Gehenna. Bug resistance there has been smashed, thanks to the effort of our brave troopers. Now the mobile infantry will establish a permanent garrison on the planet to ensure our fuel supplies remain secure.
The Festar wants to burn us? Screw that. We'll burn them. We're getting off this damn rock, but not before scooping one last payout, courtesy of the company's very own bug-catching tech. Let's see what the competition will pay for your secret new tech, Director Patel.
What do you have for us?
Nothing we can't handle.
What seems to be the problem?
And the market looks like it's leg day. What seems to be the problem?
Money talks.
Load it up. Push to bed.
Awaiting contract. We'll get the job done.
You got a job for us?
Ready to cry.
Anything we follow the money.
What do you have for us? Awaiting contract.
What do you have for us?
Keep us loaded up.
You got a job for us? It pays the bills.
Awaiting contract. The bills.
Let's bring them through.
Gotta hand it to a Festar. This bug nip is impressive stuff. Gonna make us all more than enough to retire on. But that doesn't happen without our merch here. So keep our carrier protected.
Sir.
They ain't biting us yet. So let's get on to the next hive while we still got the storm cover.
Yes, sir. Listen up.
Money talks.
Contract accepted.
Standing by. Sir, move out. With me.
What seems to be the problem?
We
Awaiting
follow the
contract.
money.
Listen on the move.
What do you have for us?
Sure thing.
The Festar really likes leaving their junk lying about. Now we've got a biped.
Awaiting contract.
Here's some drills. Firing up the end.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Money
Oiled up.
talks.
Ash Storm is blowing over. We're gonna lose our cover from company eyes, so move it.
Sounds like a good workout.
Next hive is just ahead. Instead of going in, smart thing might be to activate that pump to draw them out through here.
Speak up. Oiled up.
Got a job for us? We follow the money.
You got a job for us?
Money talks.
Adjusting position for optimal.
Awaiting contract. Contract
Here's some
accepted.
drills. Oiled up and good to go.
Awaiting contract accepted.
Ready for it. Adjusting position for optimal.
Give us something.
We follow the money.
Got a job. Follow the money.
Load it up.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
seems to be the
Sensors are
problem?
picking up new bug hive
Flexible.
activity.
What do you have for us?
Nothing we can't
Money
handle.
contract accepted.
We've got to be a friend.
We follow the money.
Listen up. Yes, sir.
It pays the bills.
Speak up. This thing is loud.
What do you have for us?
Adjusting
Anything.
position.
Let's get this thing
Alert.
ripped.
Bug attack
You got
inbound.
a job for us? Contract accepted.
Awaiting
Hey,
contract.
we're flexible.
Gears and drills. Ready for...
What do you have have for us?
We follow the money. Money talks.
Firing up the
Ready
end.
for it. Nothing we can't handle.
Ready to load it up.
What do you have for us? You've got to pay the bills.
Waiting on the bills.
Give us something to do.
Okay. What's next?
Speak up. How much do you pay? Let's get this thing moving. Give us something to do.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Gears and drills. Ready for
What seems to be the problem?
Sounds like a good workout.
Awaiting contract.
Fire the
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
We
We've
get
got
it.
two of friends.
What do you have for us?
Got a job for us?
You got a fire.
Anything for the right price.
Anything for the right price.
Got a job for us?
firing up the end.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Firing up the end. Let's get this thing moving.
You've got a contract
What do
accepted.
you have for us? Anything for the right
Looks
price.
like it's like day. Load it up.
Got a job following the money. Pays the bills. Contract accepted.
What do you have for us? It pays the bills. We follow the
What do
money.
you have for the bills?
You've got contract accepted.
Gears and drills. Good to go. Let's get this thing
Got a job for us?
Sir, roger that. Move out!
Haha! Here comes our retirement plans, people. Each of these bugs adds an extra couple zeros to your pay. So be real nice to them. All right, a ride out of this hellhole should be touching down right about now. Let's get to it.
With me!
What do you have for
It's
us?
as heavy as it looks. Gears and drills. Ready for
Sir,
Awaiting contract.
How much do you bitch?
Money talks.
affirmative. On the move. Move out!
Market for a versatile solution.
Speak up. This thing is loud.
Just in position for optimal impact. Good thing. We're flexible. Nothing we can't handle. Adjusting position for optimal impact. Nothing we can't handle.
What do you have for us?
Speak up. This thing is loud. Sounds like a good workout.
We've got a two of friends.
Where's our ride? He should be here by now.
Awaiting contract accepted.
Standing by. Affirmative.
Comms base is operational, sir.
Sorry, Mr. Fraser. Your escape plan's not happening. Your pilot's been arrested for theft of company property and will be handed over to the federal judiciary. It remains to be seen what's going to happen to you, though.
Everyone really is disposable to you people, huh? Get them to do a job, then screw them over as soon as they're not needed. You want us? Come and get us.
Hephaestus Corp thanks you for your services, Mr. Fraser. These security contractors won't listen to reason, Captain. They're now a threat to both Hephaestus and the Federation. With regret, we'll have to move to the last course of action. Hunt them all down.
Merc vermin showing their true colors at last. The MI will bring them to justice, ma'am.
I'm sending more supplies to help bolster your unit, Captain. We can't take any chances when it comes to these contractors.
Appreciate the support, Director, but we don't have time to waste. We're pressing on.
Bug threat in our sector.
Engineers, follow me. Tell us what to do.
Additional supplies will be available. We've got a unit under attack.
Troopers, sir, fight or die, soldier! Look alive,
Engineer on, people!
standing by. Sir, affirmative. Infantry, standing by. Squad moving out. Yes, sir. Look alive. Kill him! Troopers, standing by. Fight or die, soldier! I have HQ, sir.
What do you need? Engineer? Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Look alive, troopers.
What do you need? Sir, roger that. Yes, sir.
Additional supplies are now available.
What do you need?
Roger that.
Sir. What do you need?
Com, moving out.
Sir.
We'll have to clear these hives to get to the mercs.
What do you need? Engineers? Now hear this. Yes, sir. Come on, people. What do you need? Roger that. Engineers? Now hear this.
Sir,
What do you need?
infantry, standing by. Yes, sir.
Engineers that.
I have HQ. Troop squad. Sir.
Engineer? Affirmative.
Sir. Yes, sir. Look alive, troopers. Infantry, standing by. I have HQ.
Tell us what to do. Your tools and move out.
Fight or die,
Sir, now we're cooking with gas. What do you need? Sir. Engineers, follow me. Engineers report. Sir. Tell us what to do.
Look alive. Squad moving out.
Engineers
Yes, sir.
reporting. Sir? Roger that.
Troopers, standing by.
Tell us what to do. Engineers reporting.
Standing by.
Engineers here. Get your gear. We're moving out.
Sir. Kill them! Kill them all! Troopers, fight or die!
Tell us what to do. Roast them and toast them. Sir, roger that. Engineers are that. Stash your tools and yes, move out. Engineers here.
Troopers, do it! Look alive! Come on!
Sir.
I have roger that.
Tell us what to do. Sir, affirmative.
Look alive!
Orders?
Look alive!
Engineers here. Engineers out.
Troopers, standing by.
Sir, affirmative.
Infantry, standing by.
A unit has been promoted, sir. Dropships engaged. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Standing by. Fight or die, soldier!
Sir, all ass. What do you need? Affirmative.
Sir. Infantry, standing by. Sir.
Our war support has increased, sir.
So, the town set her pet Fed dog on us. Figures. So what's your orders, Fed man? Shoot to kill?
Look
You're responsible for the deaths of good soldiers. You could have surrendered and been given a fair trial. But now, there's MI blood on your hands.
Ha! I don't know what's funnier. That you think Patel ever wanted us taken alive. Or that the Federation would ever give anyone a fair trial.
Affirmative. I have HQ, sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir.
Comms, moving up. Yes, sir. Infantry, comms, moving up. Yes, sir.
What do you need? Sir. Engineers, now hear this! Roger that. Troopers, come on, you apes!
Roger that.
Sir.
Affirmative.
Comms base is operational, sir.
Come on, Fat Man. Don't you see you're being played?
I'm following orders and doing my duty. Something you know nothing about.
Killing me because some corporate suit says so. That Fed duty now?
That's enough, Fraser. Surrender and turn yourself in to federal justice, or deal with the consequences.
Look alive, troopers! Infantry, standing by! Come on, people! Affirmative!
Sir,
have HQ,
Intel
sir.
reports a new bug threat in our sector.
What do you need? Engineers? Come on, people! What do you need? Engineers? Now grab it! Moving to position. What do you need? Come on, people! Engineers? Now hear this! Sir! What do you need? Affirmative!
Standing by.
Sir. Roger that. Engineers here. Engineers, now hear this. Orders. Move out. Engineers here. Yes, sir. What do you need?
Troopers, standing by.
Come on, people. Sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Moving to position. Affirmative. Troopers standing by. Kill them. Kill them all.
Sir.
Sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Engineers go, fleet. Sir. Come on, people. Orders. Engineers here. Move out. Affirmative. Come on, people. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Orders. Come on, people. Sir. Yes, sir. Orders. Here. What do you need?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Engineers, now hear this. Roger that. Sir. Orders. Sir. Yes, sir.
Troopers, squad moving out. Kill them!
Look alive. Open fire! Engineers here. Move out.
I have HQ, sir.
Wait. Standing by. Engineers, get your gear. We're moving it. Roger that. Haul ass.
Look affirmative.
Sir, affirmative. Sir.
Troopers, standing by.
Sir. Engineers, now hear this. Sir, get your gear. We're moving it. Infantry,
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
engaged.
Come on, you apes! Come on! Die, soldier! Infantry! Squad, moving out!
On my way.
Troopers standing by. Sir!
Hydraulics engaged.
Infantry! Come on, you apes! Look alive, troopers! Kill them! Kill them! Listen up! Troopers standing by. Squad, moving in! Come on!
Standing by.
Yes, sir!
Online.
Sir, over there.
Listen up.
Fleet is ready.
Troopers affirmative. Squad, moving in!
Sir, affirmative. Open fire. I have Roger that. Comms, moving out.
Sir, affirmative.
Troopers, listen up.
Our war support has increased, sir.
With me. Affirmative.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Fleet is ready.
Sir.
Look alive, troopers.
We've got a unit under attack.
Online. Online.
Standing by.
Roger that. Sir. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Listen up. I have HQ, sir.
We've got a unit
Come
under
on,
attack.
people. Roger that.
Sir.
Infantry, standing
On
by.
the move. Affirmative. Roger that. Affirmative. Roger that. On the move. Move out. Yes, sir. Move out.
Fleet is ready.
We're at the LZ, but no sign of Fraser. Where's people?
On my way.
That pump station's active.
It's a trap! Bugs incoming from the north!
Hold on, Captain. We'll try to shut down the pumps from here, but it'll take some time.
On my way. Online. Hydraulics engaged.
Sir?
On my way. Hydraulics engaged.
Troopers, listen up. Yes, sir.
Troopers standing by. Affirmative. Engineers? Affirmative.
Comms base is operational,
Move out.
sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, roger that.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Well, Arachnid burst. Fire it up. Moving to the hotspot.
On my way.
Sir. What do you need? Infantry, standing by.
Fleet is ready.
Standing by.
Troopers standing by.
You spark my interest.
Hydraulics engaged.
Listen up.
Engineers, now hear this. The live under fire!
Troopers, let's fire at will.
Sir. Yes, sir.
You got it, Arachnid.
Affirmative.
Standing by. Move out.
I'm still hearing that pump, Director, which means the bugs can too.
On my way.
Our engineers are working on it, but the contractors have made a mess of our systems. Hang in there.
Move
Look
out.
alive, troopers! More bugs!
Our war support has increased, sir.
Marauder online. Marauder hydraulics engaged.
Standing by. Roger that. Affirmative. With me. What do you need? Affirmative.
Marauder on my way. Hydraulics engaged.
Engineers? Yes, sir. Affirmative. Listen. Roger that.
Sir, with me.
Sir, on the move.
Infantry, standing by.
Bumblebees! Keep them at a distance!
Inbound.
Let's play with fire.
Sir.
Marauder on my way.
Look alive, troopers.
Move out.
Listen up. Move out.
Sir,
Troopers standing by. Do it!
listen up. Roger that.
Standing by. Roger that.
You sparked my interest.
Engineers, now here
Fleet is ready.
Marauder online.
Sir. A unit has been promoted, sir.
What do you need?
Our war support has increased, sir.
Engineers, now hear this.
Sir, squad moving out. Troopers, standing by.
What do you need? Roger that. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Infantry, affirmative.
Sir, move out.
Sir, roger that.
Let's fire it up.
Fleet is ready.
Affirmative.
Bumblebees! Keep them at a distance!
Inbound.
Sir.
Look alive, troopers.
Sir, affirmative. Move out.
Fleet is ready. A unit has been promoted, sir.
What do you need? Sir, roger that.
Give me some good news on that pump, Director!
We're almost through. Hang in there for just a little longer. Once the pumps are offline, it should stop attracting arachnids.
We'll just have to keep holding the line then, troopers!
Need something perforated?
Our war support has
Listen up.
increased, sir.
Sir,
Marauder online.
what do you need?
Sir.
Sir,
Construction complete. Construction alert. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Look alive, troopers.
what do you need? Sir,
Infantry, standing by.
listen up.
Need something perforated? Got a burning desire?
Fleet is ready.
Let's play with fire. Marauder online.
Comms are offline. Now clear out any remaining bugs. Tracking Fraser and his gang of criminals retreating into the mountains. They cannot be allowed to escape off Gehenna, Captain.
Online.
Don't worry, they won't.
Troopers, standing
With
by.
me!
Infantry, standing
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that.
Wake up, Sal. It's always been about turning a buck. It's why we're here catching bugs for them. Patel's the criminal here, not me.
Vylon has thousands of Federation eyes on it. There's no way the director would get away with moving bugs through it to illegal markets.
Ain't you been paying attention? It's not rogue buyers paying top dollar for those tame bugs, it's your own feds. I don't know why they want them, but I've got some ideas.
On my way.
You're suggesting the Federation would knowingly operate from the shadows, lie to its people, to citizens? This can't be right.
On my way. Hydraulics engaged.
Sir.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Marauder online.
Affirmative. Roger that.
I'm a fire starter.
What do you need? On the move! Engineers, now hear this!
Turn and burn. Fire it up. Moving to the hot spot. I'm a fire starter. Turn and burn. I'm a fire.
Standing by.
On my way.
Infantry, standing by.
Hydraulics engaged.
Fleet is ready.
You've got moving to the hot spot. Marauder online.
Sir, affirmative.
Listen up.
Squad moving out.
What do you need? Roger that.
Fleet is ready.
A unit
I'm a fire starter.
Sir.
Sir.
On my way. Need something perforated?
Sir,
Time to make a choice, Sal. I can cut you in with what we've got here. We can both leave Hephaestar and the Federation behind.
But
You'll make more here than you ever will on an MI salary. The Federation don't care about you anyway.
wrong! The Federation looks after its citizens, and Hephaestar and the other corporations are our loyal partners in this war. You're nothing but a money-hungry criminal and liar. And I've heard enough of your lies. It's done. No survivors. You were right about Fraser. He wouldn't give up.
Yes, sir.
Regrettable, but necessary. You've done well, Captain. We need soldiers like you, and on my recommendation, the Sky Marshal has promoted you to permanent garrison commander here.
sir.
To victory, Captain. And through you and I, a successful partnership between the Federation and Hephaestar in this war on the bugs.
Bugs. Vicious, feral beasts. But, like any other beast, they can be captured and studied. A promising research program under Colonel Carl Jenkins is probing new ways to understand bug behavior, so that one day they can be subdued, perhaps even controlled.
Are you looking to invest in a better tomorrow? Consider Hephaestus Corporation, the industrial giant that keeps the galactic economy flourishing. Our fleet of star transporters and refueling hubs form an essential backbone of commercial space travel and transportation. Hephaestus, forging forward throughout the galaxy.
Hephaestus Corporation shares are officially warranted by the United Citizen Federation government.